What's going on YouTube? It's JB Tech Fanatic and I'm back again with another video. And today we're here with the Canary. The Canary is a smart home camera that is a Wi-Fi enabled security home camera system. But before we get into that, I just want to take this time to thank each and every one of you for joining me today. I realize that you have a busy life and I'm a small channel, and I'm honored that you've taken your time to be here with me so we can learn about this awesome camera. I want to also invite each and every one of you to please subscribe to my channel. I realize I'm a growing channel, but I can't grow without your support. And for all of you that have already subscribed to my channel, I am honored to have you. Let's get right into this because this, to me, is a must-have item for anyone that wants a Wi-Fi camera that has a motion sensor, audio sensor, air detection or air quality detection, full 1080p video, an online SkyDrive to store all your videos, and a built-in 90 decibel siren. This camera can be bought in 1, 2, or 4 packs. I've seen them in different sets, and this kind of just depends on, one, how big your house is, how many rooms you want to cover. But I will say this camera has a 147 degree angled lens on it, and it's full 1080p. Now, the only drawback to this camera is it only offers 2.4 band frequency for your Wi-Fi, so you do not have that 5 gigahertz band. So remember, the more cameras you add, the more speed you need. You also need a very capable Wi-Fi router. Now, on the box, it recommends that you have at least 1 megabyte per second. If you have seen any of my videos before, I am not a believer in that. I would tell you to get, if at all possible, 100 meg speed download or better. Now, if you don't have the availability in your area or maybe the budget for that, just remember when you have these cameras running, let's just say you're out of town, shut off all the other things in your house that would be maybe pulling on your bandwidth. And this just helps with getting a faster connection when you hit the phone or to see the video. And it also helps for streaming better quality. With this camera, they do offer a service plan that runs you about $10 a month. Now, when this first started, it really was just that, a service plan that let you have the SkyDrive and be able to download the videos. But now they've added, you can get homeowners discounts. They do have a lot of new features that only are included with that, and that is voice support to be able to talk to someone if they're in your house. And they do have direct push button for emergencies. So if you log in and you see someone's breaking into your house, you can call 911 right from your phone. So let me tell you a little bit about how it works. If this detects motion, it's going to send an alert to your mobile device. You're going to be able to click on that alert and see what's going on. It automatically starts recording whether you click on the alert or not. But if you do click on the alert and you see someone's breaking in your house, it has the siren built into it. You press the button and it sends the siren off, and it's really loud, and hopefully it will scare them away. At the same time, you can have the cops on the way and to feel protected. Now, it's unfortunate that we live in such a sick world where people have to break into other people's houses. It really disgusts me, and it really aggravates me because I know there's so many people out there, one of my friends included, that work so hard for their money. They don't have that much money, and then some person comes and breaks in their house and steals their stuff. It makes me sick. That's why these are popular. But they're also good for other things. They can record, like if you have an event at your house and you want something to just be recording, they can do that for you. They could be watching the babysitter, or maybe you have kids that are teenagers and you want to check in on them. This does a lot of other things other than just security. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing experience with you guys so you can see all the stuff you get, what it looks like, and then I'm going to show you how to hook it up. Thank you for being with me. Let's jump into it. All right, guys, so we're back in. So let's check this thing out. So the box is very, very nice packaging. It does list all the specs. Let's just look at the box really quickly together. Camera, 1080p camera, 147 degree wide angle lens, audio and siren, 90 decibels. The Wi-Fi, it covers 802.11 BGNN, so a little bit old on the Wi-Fi. In the box, you get the Canary, an AC adapter, a micro USB, and a audio setup cable. So I kind of pulled it open because this is not the easiest box to get open, but it is well presented. Nice box, nice packaging. Has the nice Canary C there. Now, this is a little bigger than a lot of the other devices out, but it actually does a lot more. So here we go. Now, I have had a lot of people that buy this and don't realize that this has a plastic coating on it that has to come off. So you want to go ahead and pop that off. Let's look at this together. We got the camera right here. The siren is at the top. Bluetooth connection is actually at the top. It doesn't say anything, but you're going to have to hold it down and touch it and it'll turn it on. Here's the mic. The night vision is actually built in here. So what it does is it kind of turns on those red lights to create night vision in the dark. And then it has kind of its status symbol light on the bottom. And then the air quality sensor is actually right here at the bottom. So that's all built into that. You got the plug. Again, as a reminder, this has to be plugged in. It is not battery operated. Nice little plug. It's not big and bulky. And they give you some stickers to put on your windows, say that your home's protected by Canary. Kind of cool. The USB cable that they give you is actually a very high quality one. It's really long and it's flat and black. So you can, hide it really nicely, and it gives you enough length if you want to put it like on top of your refrigerator and hide it behind, you could do so. And then it gives you that audio cable that basically uses sound to connect it to your Wi-Fi. Now, again, remember you have to be on the 2.4 gigahertz channel. At this point, what happens is you download the app. Now, I put the app here. I already have this product. So what we're going to do is we're going to download the app. But real quickly, I want to show you the size comparison and difference. This is the Samsung Smart Cam and the Canary, obviously. I mean, there's a big difference. But then again, this has a little bit more, technology to it. But this is still one of my favorite cameras because it works with smart things. Anyway, so we got the camera right here. I have a plug already plugged in. That way we can make this easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in. And when you plug it in, you're going to notice that this light turns white. On the app, you're going to sign in. Just download the Canary app off the Play Store or the Apple Store. Once you get to it, you're going to have to sign up for an account. You do not have to get the free account. And I believe at first it gives you like a 30-day free trial. But I already have an account because I have several of these. So what we're going to do is, this is a new one, so I'm going to add it. So on here, hopefully you guys can see this. I did on a tablet so you can get a little bit better vision, but you would hit add. So once you hit add, it tells you to put in your address. It knows my address, so that's the next step. And then it kind of shows you their products here. So in this case, we have the Canary all-in-one. Now, it tells us to plug in the Canary all-in-one, so we already did that. Now it's updating the location, okay? Now it's telling me to touch the top. So when you touch the top, you notice it started to blink. It activated the Bluetooth. Now this should pick up the Bluetooth. It might take a little time. And why this is doing this, what it does is connects to your tablet or your device and then connects to the Wi-Fi using the device. Another cool thing about this, guys, is that you can move it all around anywhere in your house. You could even put it in the backyard if you have a pool. Once it's connected, you don't have to reconnect it. So that's another benefit to this that a lot of people don't think about these cameras. They're not stuck in one spot because it's not mounted down. and the pull thing, or if your kids are out front and you want to just, be able to check in and out on them live view, another great idea. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this thing download its software, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so the serial number pops up. You push the serial number, then it's going to pop up the Wi-Fi signals. Remember, it's only going to show the 2.4 gigahertz signal. You're going to touch it, put your password in, and then you're ready to go. Any and all software that needs to be updated at this point should be done. And now you're going to have your screen here. Now on your screen, it's going to give you a timeline. This is the timeline that I was talking about where you could download if something happens. You also can choose whether or not to have the live view. You could pick your home, the members that you have set to your device, all from the menu. Now, the other thing you could do is hit watch live, and we could test out the voice and the siren. So what we're going to do is I'm going to let you guys hear the siren, okay? It's really loud. Here we go. Really loud. Wow. Also, from this menu, you could talk or call emergency. So if this was facing down, it's going to black the picture out, and it's going to show talk or emergency. If we hit talk, it would be kind of going back and forth because my cameras are here, so I'm not going to do that, but you'd be able to talk to the person in your house, and if you hit emergency, you can call the police or anything that's needed. Once you're done, you just hit back out, and then you're back to the watch live. It tells you the temperature, the humidity, and the air quality right on the front screen. This area is where you pick home, night, or away. So night, you could set, it's going to turn on the night vision. The night vision is going to turn on the red lights here in the sensor so you can see. Home is if you don't want any recording, you want some privacy, but you want it to gather the air quality so it can give you proper alerts when the air quality changes. It knows where your baseline is. And then, of course, away will activate the full security mode. And it's that simple, guys. The menu, as you can see, is very simple. The service plan allows you to be able to talk with voice. It allows you to pick certain areas for, it's called masking in their app. And that's basically lets you pick certain areas. So if you have a pet that's really small and you don't want the ground, you can keep it up high. And guys, it's a really simple thing to use, but again, I do recommend that you sign up for the plan if you're going to go with the Canary. Guys, if you have any other questions about the Canary or if I missed anything, please reach out to me in the comment sections. Do not forget, I am here to help you. I will help you in any way possible. You can find me on Facebook at JB Tech Fanatic. And guys, this is the part where you hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. And let me just say this, guys, it's a sick and evil world out there. Don't forget to spend time with your family, love your family, take care of each other, love your neighbor, do something good for someone today. And don't forget, guys, always love tech, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.